Good evening, teacher, and good evening, my beloved classmates. Today I'm very excited because today is turn out my group to presentation today, and today I want to discuss the one topic to talk today. The topic is important of studying. Studying is part of in our life, and studying is not only at school, but studying have anywhere, any place, any time, and from anyone, any people. If you want to study, if you study at school, you can study for like the subject like history, Khmer literature, math, or biology. Is we can call studying for the example. It means you study for the exam. Is you know or you understand and you got it when you learning with teacher. You can will be a good at or you can get a good result at exam, and then it's study from any people, or it means you want to know about something or you want to know about history in the past. You can ask the old people or a person who are close on this already. Studying is not difficult or studying and it's not easy too. If you study at school but you don't, when you go home you don't study, it's not have you to be good at about your studying. If and now in this country has a point that people think like people who has a knowledge but don't have morality is not good. They don't choose for work, and then if when you graduate at grade 12 and you go to study at university, if you don't know or you don't know how to use the computer, you can ask your friend or ask another people who know about how to use a computer, and this we can call studying from people, from another people. It's not only from teacher, and turn is for my team to continue.
Studying are also something that employers look for recruiting. It shows a willingness to learn and understand what an industry is about. It also proves that you can take the initiative to explore, research, and be a skill on your own. Studying is not just important for education nor development, but also build personal skills. Having a good personal skills can improve your confidence, competence, and self-esteem because it expands knowledge, sharpen critical thinking, and improve problem-solving skills, leading to better decision-making and career opportunities, as well as help reduce stress and anxiety around deadlines and exams. Therefore, we must study for better futures and have the country prosper. Thank you, teacher, and thank you everyone for listening to us.